Okay, so all what I'm saying is this is an easy things to do because the software automatically shows you where buy and sells will occur. And what you do is once you see price breaks below a resistance area and hold, that is a good area to sell. So your sell is here, your stop loss is here, your TP is on this level, and so forth and so on. So as you come here, this is a key structure area. When price closes above it, that is a good place to place your buy, and your stop loss is here, and your take profit is this level. Price closes above that, you can hold your trade or you can enter a new position, and your stop loss is just below that one, and your next take profit is here, which all of them keep smashing. And when price hit the extreme high, you just look for a sell from there, and your stop loss will be here or here, and your next take profit will be on this level which it has come. So this is how you use Kern's level, and it's pretty much simple. Consolidation areas, let's assume you don't have Kern's level there already. Okay, when price is consolidation, all I want to do is I want to insert the shapes there, because the market is consolidation, which is advantage of traders. So I just put a box there. All what I'm looking for is for price to break above it, then I'll go for a buy, and my stop loss is the low here. If price closes below there, I go for a sell, and my stop loss is just here. So my TP will be, if I look on this extreme left, this was the low here, so that is the TP. If it is sell, I'll be looking for it. When I get the buy here, how do I know my TP? My TP will be the next consolidation level, which was here. So if I put my trend line there and my entry was here, this is where I'll be aiming for my TP, and that is it, and it is smash. And this, I can do this setup for you. This, as you see, is the MA 30 MA, and the MA is linear weighted average. That is what I'm using. I tested this for more than 5 years. So all what I'm doing with that is, if price is above it, like here, I'm looking for buy. If price is below it, just like here, I'm looking for sell. How do I? So this is my price. Price is coming. We have market structure here, OBS level, which is a supply level, is tested for so many times, and I can enter myself from there as an experienced one. But a novice one who is using this strategy, they want the price to come in. So price close inside on this green candle, that is when I enter my sell, and my stop loss is here. So it always gives you a tight stop loss, but the reward is good. So this might be about 30 pip stop loss, but price is in. So you can see your next your daily target, you always make more than 50 or 20 pips, and you are done. You've done for the day, and it keeps coming as long as price stays in. And remember, it serves to you as an indicator. Once price close inside it, it's serving to you as a resistance level. So you can see how the price hit it. That's a pullback and a continuation. So you have those higher lows, and you're going to have another higher lows, which indicates a downtrend. And then you have those lower high. But as it comes here, and you can see this is a bullish doji. So after this big downtrend here, price action, this is what I know. So these are the important candles I learned. You have a bullish doji here, you have a bullish doji here. So here, over here, you have two confirmation, because price close inside it here. Okay, and your stop loss will be somewhere here. And because it's a consolidation, that is the exception that you have to do whenever you see a consolidation. And how do you know a consolidation? When small candles start forming, just like here. You've already had your sell here, But assuming you don't even have your sell here, maybe you were late, you didn't see it, you came to meet this, you are seeing these small candles. Those are the exceptions. You don't want to take it yet, you want the market to give you direction, so you come and you put your box there, which tells you the consolidation is taking place, so you are waiting for the direction. So price breaks the box below here, now you can take your sell and your stop loss is here. So these are the exceptions to this rule. So when you see small consolidation, small candles forming, that is consolidation. Just put your box there and wait for direction. If it breaks above it, you go. Always your stop loss is small. And you see, and these are the important candles that you see. And without Ken's tool, price action, all you want to do is whenever there is a new high, you want to put your trend line there and wait for 4 or 5 touches. If it doesn't break, you can enter your sell and your stop losses there, and your first TP will be on the 30 EMA, which you have seen. And you see another consolidation here. If you put your box there, you can see your break here on this candle is a break, so your sell trade is entered here, your stop loss is here, your TP is here, which is smashed before it goes up. It's as simple as that. Don't make it complicated. And this is the candles that I'm telling you. This is a bullish doji, and you have a bullish doji here, so you can see this is a bearish doji here. So once you see this bearish doji, you know that the market is about to reverse, and you can even take a sell trade here, and your stop loss is just maybe 5-10 pips above the tail of the doji, and that is it. And your stop your first TP is here. If you do this, you never have a losing. This will keep you away from 9 to 5 rat race. And like I said, you don't have to follow all trades or chart. You can just focus on just one chart, and every day you can get your 20 pips. So if you go from one funded company and you get a good payout like 50k, 60k, you put 50k in your own personal MT4 account. If you are doing 20 points every day for 10 pips, which you will get with this strategy, that's 2k every day. And for you who likes going around camping and stuff like that, this will be a full-time income, 6 figures a year, just hassle free by working 20 to 10. Because the boring thing about day trading, which most of the time I hate, is you have to wait for the setup. Sometimes you can get it within 20 minutes, sometimes you have to wait an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours before this, because all this here, remember, the market is now setting up. Okay, if you are experienced, once you hit Ken's tool here, you know it's a reversal, so you could take your buy from here and your stop loss is just here, and you make your 10 or 20 pips and you're done for the day. So it's really easy. It's all on all the charts. Gold, which I like trading, you can see is the same thing here with Ken too. So you can invest. It's 100 or 150 pound one time, and just set it up. You call me, I'll just explain if you have any problem. That is it. All you can see is here. So once you combine, so you can see I have my setup, one setup attached to that, and I'm looking at it. And if I don't, on another chart, I have this. Okay, on another chart, I have this without that, because I'm trading without indicator, naked trading. I'm just reading price action and market structure. So I know from looking at it, I know this is OBS level, that is a demand level, this is a demand level, potential reversal from there, because we have here, and we have another level here, we have another level here, you have another level here. So I have this on one chart on the same asset that I'm trading. I have this on another screen, and I have this on another screen. Then I have my own custom indicator also on another screen. But this is, it's really brilliant, because I don't know who, because I've been looking for someone to code things like this for me, so that I can use it for robot and it will automatically pick trades and close them, but I can't find a good programmer, so this is easy. If you buy it, you are just looking if price closes above, like here. So this I have double confirmations because my own setup is telling me that it's an uptrend from here, gold, and I have a tight stop loss here 41, and my TP is 51, so that's about 100 pips straight. And I also have another buy from here, both from price action tells me, because if I put my box here on this candle is a breakout, so I could enter around 39 and my stop loss will be around here. An experienced trader will enter from here, but all in all you get your trade, and you can see how the sell set up here. Very, very good sell. Once you see these candles, they tell you volume. Those are the breakouts you want. These small candles I'm saying is consolidation. Once you see your 30 EMA is angling down, it's telling you the down pressure is really strong downtrend. And when you see it angling up, let me look for an uptrend trade for you to see. You see how on the FTSE 100 it starts to angling up here. That's telling you buy pressure is coming in, and you can see from the candle, and you see how it was angling down here. It's telling you the sell pressure. So this is a typical example of the box I'm telling you. You put your box here once you see this insert shape, and it's right on the support level that is automatically drawn from you. And on this candle, that is a downtrend, and your stop loss is really tight, and you hit your TP1, you hit your TP2, because these are automatically drawn from you. So as price keeps closing below them, and you already have about 3 confirmations that your TP is your trend is downtrend, and it starts from here. So you have it hits here. This is a doji, so that tells you a downtrend. And when you enter a downtrend, you hit your TP already, and then you have a retest of the high again, and it breaks below here on 7606, and your stop loss is 7617. You see how tight your stop loss is, and you came all the way, you hit another TP, that's about 60 pips, and it closes inside, and it comes second TP, and you have a continuation. So all this is you have to just be doing. And if we go on, we can go on and on and on the euro cards and stuff. This is the trades we took yesterday. Let me see if I can find that trade. I think, yeah, yesterday. This is, I think, somewhere some of the trade that we took. Was the trade, and the stop loss was here, and the TP was here, and we hit it. And the same is coming again. You can see the buy here, continuation. Already my setup tells you you have a buy, and also Ken's also tells you, because if you extend this trend line, which is automatically drawn for you here, that tells you that you have a buy here because of the candle closing above. Even this one here tells you have a buy here. So once you have this buy here, this is your stop loss. Look at the stop loss, about 12 pips. It never came down again, and you just kept moving your stop loss, trailing it, and this is about 300 points. Yeah, so it's simple. Most people make things complicated for them, and once they are given the funds to manage, some of them start to panic. That's why they make silly mistakes. But you can't beat yourself up when you make a mistake. Other than that, then you're going to work for somebody forever. All entrepreneurs make mistakes, so you have to allow yourself to make mistakes, and you have to allow yourself to learn from those mistakes. And one key thing you have to do is also which time frame. If you are using this, then you are using 1 hour time frame. So what that means for you is every 1 hour you have to check the chart for a setup. Okay, if I take my long trade from the daily charts and the 4-hour chart, so every 4 hours I'm looking, and the daily chart I don't look at them, because when the market closes, when I take trades. And I'll show you some of the trades that we are in now. We are in this, I am in a buy from here. Okay, my stop loss is 1.2250, and these are the trades that I do, and I can get 1 to 10 risk reward, or 1 to 20. So I'm going to watch this beautiful to develop. If it takes me out, I'll look for another buy because it's going to go up. My first TP is the blue line here, which will give me about 350 pips. I'm also, hold on, some of the trades in the group that we are in, also we are on a buy on the euro yen, euro USD, because you have a consolidation. What I was telling you about 5 price keep rejecting this. So if I take this away and I come to price action, or I go to Decker trading, so this is a consolidation. Price is consolidating, keeps rejecting. So it's telling you that the price is going to reverse, potential to reverse, and the stop loss is really tight. Stop loss is just a little bit below here, about 30 pips. But once it start moving, we start trailing it, and potentially first place is here. Once we break and close above this, we are coming here. Once we close above that, we are coming here. So I could end up holding all this trade from here with just 30 pips stop loss. From here, our entry is here. I will end up holding this trade into here about 1,000 pips. So this is how I get 1 to 20 risk reward and stuff like that, and people don't understand because it's all about patience. And at the same time, I'm selling this. Okay, our entry is here and the stop loss is here, 1.0020. So if the euro start to go up, the USD CHF is start to come down, because they always trade in opposite direction. And another trade that we are in is New Zealand dollar USD. We had a sell trade this morning on this. We've already hit the TP. I put it in the group, not on the other group. And New Zealand, where is it? New Zealand USD. Yeah, that is New Zealand USD. That is the trade also we are in for buy. Okay, and that is, I'll show you, our entry was somewhere here. The stop loss is here on 62250, and then also in a buy with a tie stop loss on New Zealand card. Okay, New Zealand card also stop loss is very tight. That is down here, 0.81630, and you end up holding all the trades. So you can see the same thing I'm telling you. You can see the sell trade was here. Once we close below here, we have consolidation. The stop loss was here, and this is a fake out. It's a fake out where the market maker used to knock people off their stop loss. That's why on my naked trading also I normally have this there. I'll show you, hold on. I normally put this indicator there just to help me. I think I told you about that, how I use the average true range. I normally add this to, how I use it to calculate my stop loss. So I can go there and save, and and I'll replace that. Okay. Yes.
Is that your computer or mine?
No, it's on my computer because I was saving something.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is how I use it to calculate my stop loss, and I'll also come and check on the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart. So my stop loss on the daily is on this weekly. Okay, tight, but then we'll see how it's going. And I'm also looking occasionally, checking the 4 hour, checking the 1 hour to see how it's done. So that's what you have to keep in your mind, which time frame. If you want to be a day trader, if you're going to use this tool, this beautiful tool Kenave Bill, which is cheap because you make your money once, and when update comes you get it for free. It's a good investment. So if you're going to use this,
I was with him for 3 years. I just dropped out a month ago. So
yeah, maybe
joining
because
back up.
when that's why I'm not there to, because everybody has a way of using the tool, and people put, when you have too much information, sometimes you don't know how to digest it, you know.
Well, that's what happens to me, and I just
Yeah,
have too many things flying around in
you
my
don't
head,
have
and
to
I
let
just
people.
can't.
So get the tool and just follow what I've followed.
Get what tool? What are you talking
Tap,
about? I'm not sure.
tap, tap from.
Oh, you know what? I'm not going back there.
Okay.
I was with him for 3 years. I was paying $30 a month, and now he'd charge me $100 a month, and I don't have it.
No,
So I'm
yeah.
not doing it.
So that's what I'm saying. Don't, because I'm not paying that. This is just one time fee I got for I think 150 one time. You have it for life.
Right.
You download it on your computer, you have it for life. So get that, and I've explained to you how you use it. So get that and just follow it. And don't be in the group, because too many informations, it will cloud your judgment. If you get this 150, or even sometimes he does a deal and it's 100 one time. So if you get that, that is it. You just follow these simple rules and demo it for 1 month. If you demo 1 month, you get in your results. If you want to do the day trading stuff, stick to 1 hour chat, and after one month, you see your results. And even when you start going live, when you start managing proper funds, you don't have to stop. This is what most people do. You don't have to stop practicing on your demo, because once you keep learning, you are going to find something, and you are going to understand it in your own way, and start to use it, and start to create a system for yourself.
I mean, that indicator that you're showing, that looks like his auto support and resistance. You keep calling it tap.
Yeah, I download it from there, because the tab, as he said, it consists of three things. So that's the auto support and resistance, but it comes with the boss indicator and about three of them. I just choose this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I just choose this one out of the lot. So if you buy the tab, it consists of three indicators. This is one of them, and there is the ball some when you hold on, let me see, hold on, let me try to see if I can log in. STS, let me see, and I'll show you. No, welcome to, no, it's simple trading solutions.
Yeah, I literally just dropped out last month.
Yeah, so just, yeah,
'Cause
don't join.
I used to like that auto.
I
I used to
never,
like his auto support
yeah,
and resistance
I
indicator.
never join. I never join for monthly pay. I get, whenever he does a deal to pay one time for something, that's a good offer. You have it for life. So whenever he does um whenever he does a new update, you get it for free. You understand? So that's what I've done. I'm just trying to, I don't know if he's updating the website, because I don't know, every time it comes,
Well, I know it's like every month he has updates.
every time it comes here very very it comes straight away. I don't know why today is delaying. I just wanted to show you. Maybe they are doing some update, I think. Let me see. You see, it didn't go through. I think they are doing some updates.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's not coming. But once, just get it and don't go into the group, and just use it as it is. It's really really great tool. And this, if you pass 400k challenge with TFT or MFF, I don't know their rules, but TFC, they don't have any I'm just starting DSM next week. They don't have any rules, lot size rules on the currencies. So you,
I actually have two. I have with MFF. I have two $100,000 evaluations that I've already paid for, and they're just sitting there, not doing anything.
Yeah, so you're
Because
going to,
I can't pass them, so I just keep, they're just sitting on the shelf right now.
well, you can pass now. So just get this
Well,
and
no,
do
I
and
can't.
follow the group, the free group. I'm putting signals in. They are not long-term trades. I'm taking them from short-term on the 1 hour here. So I've added you. Keep an eye. This week we finish. Next week we will have a trade coming, and you see. And if I have any trade on 1 hour or so, I'll send to you direct, and you can take it and see. So just get it, get
Because
this.
I would totally do that, right? I mean, if I could, if you're sending one signal a week, that, I don't know how much I can make with that, but I mean, I could do something
Well,
every
this
week
is
with that.
what I'll show you. This is what one of the students made. I'll show you in a way. When I finish, I'll send to you. She make fifth. She made yeah. She sent me. She made this 1,500.
Yeah, I mean, if I made $1,500 a week, that'd be all I need.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
awesome.
but you can make it or even on your own. If you once you get this, get the tab. It's $100 or 150 one time. Get it. You know how to install. If you don't know, you ask me. I'll help you. Just as you help me, and this is how you're going to use it. All you need to do is choose if you want to stick to one currency. The Euro Aussie, the Euro Card, Euro New Zealand, Pound USD, Pound Yen, Pound New Zealand, or the reason why I'm calling this a USD card is they move a lot. So if you have a breakout on one, if you have a breakout on the 1 hour on a buy here or in a sell, you get minimum of 50. Sometimes you can even get 200. So even if you are doing 10 or 15 a pip, that's about every day you can make 5k on that, and you pass your challenge quickly.
Yeah.
Once you pass
You
your
know, you can draw your own lines, right? I mean,
yeah,
the lines are
you can draw your
the
own
line.
lines, but the lines are drawn there already for you, and they are the same as the ones that I draw. So what I normally do is I extend them like here. You see the line is not extended, but if you put the cursor there and you look to your left, you can see they are right on those support resistance line, which is correct. So all I need to do is I can put my line there to extend them, so that if price breaks below here and breaks above here, I know that I have a buy here, and my stop loss is here. If I want to draw my own lines, that's why I said my screen is four screens. So I have another chart which is like this, okay, where I draw my own lines there. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And I
Yeah,
have
because
so
I know I'm not gonna pay him $150 right now. I don't have it to give him, so
okay.
I'm not doing that. And I had that indicator for freaking 3 years. I mean, I never used it.
But then you should have it. You should have it for free then, because if you were there for 3 years, you should speak to him, because I wasn't there for. I was there all the time since I joined, but I was not on monthly. Everything. That's why I wanted to show you. Every two I bought for him, I got for one time fee. So even if I pass away, it's there for my kids or my nephews or somebody to use it. So it's not something I got it like monthly subscription. If I'm doing something that is monthly, then I'm doing monthly for signals, not for, you understand, not for an indicator or something like that. Hmm.
Right. I had it in my MT4 and I just tried to put it on and it says that I have to update, and yeah, so
Yeah, because they
it's
have updated it, so probably you should message. I mean, he speaks good of you and stuff like that, so he can give it to you back for free. You should have it for that one time. But if you don't have that, you can use this one which I have explained to you. It's similar. All you need to do with this one is drawing your lines and knowing price is closing inside. You see how when price start to move up, it start to angling up. That's telling you a strong trend up. So you just have to follow, get your into it, tight stop loss, make your 50 30 pips, 50 pips, and that's it for your day. And you do that every day, and within 2 weeks you should pass your MFF. Even if you are doing 5 lots or 10 lots, you're making good. And I'll put those trades in as well. So just keep your eye, just keep an eye or your alerts on your WhatsApp on.
You're very sweet. You really are.
Yeah, that's it. Well, but I've told you, I told you a long time ago, and you have not done that. So you just
Well,
have to
I
do.
know
You don't need too many, because everybody, our brain operates differently. Okay, so people do, even if engineering, you come to engineering and you find out people are doing the same thing. People have a way of understanding. So if you are in the group where everybody is tossing the ideas and stuff like that, it doesn't mean they are wrong. Maybe they haven't analyzed something really well, or they have analyzed it the way they understand it, the way it's working for them. And what mistakes people do is they abandon their whole setup just to chase other people's setup. But one
right.
thing with reading and understanding the financial markets is, all you need to understand is how it works. Then you create a system for yourself the way you understand it, because it's either going up or down. The key areas are knowing the extreme lows, that when the market is in extreme low, you have to look for an uptrend, and when there is an extreme high overbought, you have to look for a downtrend, and understand the structure and understand the pattern, the price actions, and understand the consolidation areas, which I have explained to you. Once you see small charts, small candles like this, that is the market is consolidating, and it will tell
Right.
you where it wants to go, whether it wants to go up or it wants to go down. And all I do is, I'm going to draw my shape there. When I see the consolidation, then I'll wait for it to tell me the direction. So if it breaks below like that, then I'm sell, and my stop loss is here. And if it breaks above, then I'm going to go in buy, and my stop loss is down, really tight,
So,
and you go.
Josh, when you're drawing that box, I'm having a hard time seeing what you're boxing, because some of it is outside the box and some of it is the wicks are,
Yeah,
like you've got a green wick above
you
the
put
box.
you put you put it on the consolidation where the small candle starts. Okay, so the small candle starts from here on this green one. Okay, and is stopping here. So this is the consolidation areas. Okay, so normally when I see a small candle starts, because you don't know what is going to follow, I draw and I extend it. So if the runs coming in are small candles, they are going to close inside. If it's not a small candle, they are going to close above it or below it. Breakout, all you are doing is you're looking for breakout. Some people don't want to use a box. So what they want to do is, if those small
Right.
candles start, they want to draw a line. So
So I
if
guess I'm just seeing, I'm just not seeing that you're putting the box or the line like on top of the consolidation. Yeah, like more like up.
yeah, you're going to see them, and they are going to develop, because assuming, um, that's why if you're using the 1 hour, then you have to check your chart every 1 hour. So this hour you're going to see this box, and this hour you're going to see it close below here, and that's you're going to take your sell, and your stop loss is here. And these hours you are going to see, these hours that is following, you are going to see all this. You're going to see this big red, you're going to see this big green, then the smaller one starts to follow. So then you're going to see this, and you're going to see this. You see it get smaller. So that's the consolidation. So once it start getting smaller, that's where you know the consolidation is starting. So that's where your box starts. So until it gets bigger here, the next three candles were smaller, then bigger here, that's your breakout. Okay, and it comes, so you see is you making higher lows. That's the downtrend, and when the market start to make an uptrend, you make lower highs, then you make lower highs, then you make lower highs, then you make a lower high. So that's here. That's where it's giving you your entry for your buy here, as you can see. But your consolidation start here, and you can see in between these two big candles, you have some small consolidation here. Then you have a big breakout here, but I didn't go that far. But if your entry was somewhere here, it's good enough to catch about 10 pips. So even if it takes you out of your stop loss, which was so here, then once it closed below the EMA, you have it. And how to set up the EMA is here. You just go to insert, and you come. Yeah, you know how.
What's the value that you use?
I'm using 30, and it's linear weighted. It's not exponential, it's not simple, it's not smooth. I'm using the linear weighted. Yeah, so it will come into the recordings and you see it. So yeah, so that is all as it is. And if I'm just doing naked trading, that is it. This is where I draw my lines. So all you which you know already, those lines, resistance, support, and things like that. So you're looking for extreme highs, and or every consolidation area is a resistance or support area, including the extreme low, extreme high. Then you look for those consolidation areas. Those are, so once you have a sell here, your target is here, which you see you smash it here from the sell. Yeah, so if price will close below here and hold, your next level is coming here, then it will try to take out this low. If it close below this low here, it's going to go further down, and the 4 hours will tell you. Yeah.
Okay.
Any more questions?
What's that?
Any more questions?
No.
Okay, so if you have any questions, you let me know. I'll send you the video before you go if we have finished. So it goes everywhere on all the if you can look at the indices or whatever, but you don't need to do anything. You can just follow one currency, like I've said, and you'll be all right. Okay, indices, but this works with anything, all the indices, commodities. It works anything that you do. So it's not pertaining with anything, as you can see. Yeah, but I'm now leaning more on the currencies than the indices. Why, you ask me why? Yeah, I know the US 30 within 1 minute you can cash 100 pips and that, but the volatility and the manipulation, because earnings are coming out and this and uncertainty is too much volatility. So if you get a good currency and you follow that, that is more stable. Every month you go to the bank and things like that.
Yeah. What is the little Telegram group? Is that your
that's my group. Yeah, it's a free group that I'm helping people. So that's I'm using also that to grow my YouTube channel. So subscribers can have one free trade each week.
Huh. And then there's a paid service for
that? Yeah, there is.
Interesting. And that's your group?
Yeah, that's my group. Yeah, that's my group. Yeah.
So who's the guy that's writing in
there? The writing in the group.
Yeah, who's Joe Burns?
Oh, that's my other phone. So
that's you?
Yeah, that's me. I just put that there. That's me. It's a company phone.
Okay.
That's a company phone. So I didn't want to use the company name, so I just put that there. Yeah.
Got it. So you wrote all this?
Yeah. I do that.
Oh, no.
Not my PA. No, things like this I do it myself, because you don't want somebody to make a mistake. So
Right.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you for inviting me there.
Yeah, no problem. Just keep an eye, because the trades can come after midnight, that's Eastern time, UK time, or it can come sometimes in the morning around 7 8 a.m. UK time. Okay, or sometimes around afternoon. It depends on it. It depends. It depends on when I have the when the signal comes, and soon. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, and soon I'll be doing another group that I'll be trading with people on the just the pound USD alone. That people, because people, okay, trade with us, trade with us, trade with us. So I'll build a small group that I'll just trade with them every day for the pound USD. We do 10 20 pips, and that's it. We finish for the day. So I'll let you know when it starts.
Yeah, when do you think you might do that?
Maybe in 2 months.
Okay.
I'll let you know. Anyway, don't worry. I'll give you a shout. Okay.
So what do you? So you talk about your You talk about your VIP group. What do you? You have a couple trades a week on that?
2 to 3.
Yeah.
2 to 3 short-term trades, and I do, like as I was showing you, these are trades that we do, and we get 1 to 10 risk reward, 1 to 15, 1 to 20 long-term trades, like the trades we are in now. Okay,
Yes.
New Zealand dollar card, pound USD, euro USD. We've entered at the right time on a strong support demand area, and we wait for it to push down, and we manage the trades. So those trades, one trade can give you about 7 to 800 pips, so we have about 4 of them. We just manage. But yeah, and so I try to give 2 trades that will hit TP, like we've hit TP on the pound card. Then we have at least 1 trade or 2 trades that we are riding for the long term. So it might be 1 week, it might be 2 weeks, it might be 3 weeks. Yeah, just like as you've seen the USD CHF, we've been in for like 2 days now, and we are about 80 pips. So here, this is the first target, 131 pips, and if it holds and it keeps coming, then we are coming to about 200 pips. Then probably we'll be coming here. So we'll see how it develops. But I've said to them, once the trade is in like 50 pips, 60 pips, put it in break even. So if it takes you out, we look for another entry.
Yeah. And then you secure some profits. That's
Yeah,
great.
or you can trade your So I'm trying to build a good and steady group for serious people. Okay, people that will also not abuse their account and things like that. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So.
And what do you and you charge a monthly fee for that?
Yeah, those ones is £100 a month, and those who wants to trade with me on the USD pound GU alone every day, 10 to 20 pips is the same amount, £100. But I'll invite you, and I'll give you 1 month free, and you see how it is. But you have to know when we get up, you have to be up.
Yeah.
You know.
That's the problem. It's 2 o'clock in the morning for me.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Sometimes I stay up I'm up 3 a.m. every day anyway. But sometimes if I'm doing, like now, I'm doing some research on products research for Amazon. So sometimes I'm up the whole night and stuff. You need to put in some sacrifice in order to get something that you want.
What? I would easily get up at 1 or 2 in the morning to.
Yeah, because once you finish for the day. This is it.
Yeah.
You finish for the day, and you have the whole day to do what you want, whether you want to sleep, whether you want to go hiking. I know you love to hike a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you finish your work, and then you can hike the whole day.
I know. That'd be so nice.
Yeah. So I'll give you a shout. But if you have any issues, if you have any questions, just let me know, and then I can arrange another time for you, and then you
Okay.
go through. I
Do you
hope that.
have a do you have a trial for your VIP group or no?
Yeah, I can put you in for time, and you can check out and see results
Yeah,
yourself. Yeah, but
I'd love to.
I'll
Because yeah,
hope.
if I could get that one of those challenges passed, then I'd have some money to pay you every month.
Well, I'll get you in once we finish here. But I hope that the video the recordings came with a voice. Yeah. So
Okay.
I'll put you in, and I'm going to send you the video now. If you don't have any questions, then
Okay.
yeah. So okay.
Okay. Well, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So